As I'm sure you all remember, California-based game developer Blizzard Entertainment made headlines last week after their controversial one-year banning of esports player Blitzchung. The punishment was in response to the Hong Kong gamer's actions during a post-game interview, where he voiced his opinion in support of the pro-democracy protests in Hong Kong. In addition to the ban, the Tencent-backed developer also seized his prize money. So, what has changed? After heavy criticism, Blizzard has finally broken silence over the controversial move and has since reduced their initial punishment given to Blitzchung, turning the one-year suspension to a 6-month ban and restoring the prize money. Blizzard has finally left the woodwork. In a lengthy statement, Blizzard insists that China's investment in their company did not influence their decision to punish the player for his anti-China views. The president of Blizzard Entertainment, J. Allen Brack, said, "The specific views expressed by Blitzchung were not a factor in a decision we made. I want to be clear, our relationships in China had no influence on our decision." He adds, "We have these rules to keep the focus on the game and on the tournament to the benefit of a global audience, and that was the only consideration in the actions we took. If this had been the opposing viewpoint delivered in the same divisive and deliberate way, we would have felt and acted the same." However, after assessing the situation and listening to us, the community, he stated that 6 months for Blitzchung is more appropriate, after which time he can compete in the Hearthstone Pro Circuit again if he so chooses. Blizzard's unexpected and appalling choice of action was seen by many as submitting to its Chinese investor, Tencent, who holds a 5% stake in the company. And with Tencent long known to facilitate the Chinese government's censorship, Blizzard's ban could be construed as an appeasement to China. Despite best efforts, Blizzard is suffering in the aftermath of its own doing. The California game developer is facing backlash on home soil as the movement #BoycottBlizzard trends among players and company staff, even staging numerous walkouts. A long-time Blizzard employee told the Daily Beast, "Blizzard makes a lot of money in China, but now the company is in this awkward position where we can't abide by our values." In the company statement, Blizzard President Brack claims, "Every voice matters, and we strongly encourage everyone in our community to share their viewpoints in the many places available to express themselves. The official broadcast needs to be about the tournament and to be a place where all are welcome." However, Blizzard's official Hearthstone Weibo account took to the Chinese social media platform to further condemn Blitzchung and defend the pride of China. "We are very angered and disappointed at what happened at the event and do not condone it in any way. We also highly object the spreading of personal political beliefs in this manner. We will always respect and defend the pride of our country. Every voice matters." Yeah, if it speaks the language of the CCP.